Hey there, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that a covert narcissist may do to frustrate you during a family court proceeding. Make sure you stick to the end so that you can get all of the 3 ways that covert narcissist may try to frustrate you in that family court proceeding. If you are returning back to the channel, welcome back. If you're watching for the first time, welcome. My name is Nasheia Smith, and I am a family and estate planning attorney. I'm also an author, a speaker, Christian life coach, and a minister. On this channel, I help Christians navigate custody battles with covert narcissists and help them realize that they do not have to fight this battle alone, understanding that this is also a spiritual battle, and they're going to need Christ to help them to navigate this journey and to keep their sanity. This channel is different from other channels in the sense that I share biblical wisdom and make the content easy to digest, taking into account the cognitive and emotional effects of narcissistic abuse. So the inspiration for this video, the reason why I made this video is because many times in my practice, I'll have a client ask me, okay, Nasheia, what to expect? Like when we get there, what if the narcissistic co-parent does this, does that? What have you seen in other cases? Just what should I be aware of? And the more that I can be aware of, the more I can mentally and emotionally prepare. So if you find yourself asking the same questions, then this video is for you. This is important to know because, again, the goal is to reduce the amount of anxiety and stress that you're going to face going through this process, right? This process in itself is already stressful. So as much as we can do to reduce that stress and anxiety for you, the better. So without further ado, we're going to get straight to the 3 things that the covert narcissist may do to frustrate you during your family court proceeding. Number 1. No surprise, the narcissist will lie, right? They're going to lie. So just accept it, embrace it. A lot of times I would have clients that will get so upset and frustrated about the narcissist lying. And they're like, but they lied about this, they lied about that, they lied, and they're just lying. And they will get so upset, understandably so, because they know it's not true. But what I have to remind them is that we cannot change that person, right? They're going to lie. So just know that, right? There's nothing you can do to stop them from lying. We cannot control other people. So if they want to lie, they're going to lie. So instead, you want to just make sure that you focus on your evidence, your case, taking care of your mental and emotional, spiritual health so that you can be in the best state as possible when you're in court so that you can present yourself credibly before the court, right? So you can't do anything about them lying. Number 2. The narcissist will most likely charm the court officials, right? I mean, that's just what they do. So they may come in there and try to be all extra friendly with the court reporter that may be there, or the clerk, or even the judge at times, and just try to come off as very charismatic. And you're probably sitting there or standing there in disgust like, oh my gosh, this person's just so fake. If you know what I'm talking about, hit the like button, okay? So that we can let the other community members know that they're not alone. But they're going to do that. So again, expect it. They're going to do that. If they want to put on a show, let them put on the show. There's nothing you can do to stop that. Again, focus on your case and making sure that you have your evidence. That's all you have to focus on. Next, they may try to cause unnecessary delays. So what do I mean by that? And yes, these things that I'm about to mention actually happened in prior cases that I had. They may fake a power outage. They may say, oh, my power went out, my alarm went off, so that's why I missed court. Meaning they don't show up, and then their excuse is that their power went out, and so they had no idea that their alarm didn't go off, so they missed court. They may say they have a flat tire, or they actually have a medical emergency, and they were admitted in the hospital, and that's why they can't be there for court. Yes, these things all have occurred. So expect it. Okay, not saying that it will happen, but it's a possibility. Also, if they are a person that has multiple languages and maybe English is not their first language, they may all of a sudden on the day of say, oh, they don't understand English, they can't proceed, they need an interpreter, when at no time before did they ever state that they needed an interpreter. Again, just something that could possibly happen. Also, they may try to ask for continuance. They may allege that they didn't receive certain discovery documents and that they need time to go over the documents, even though you know you sent them certain documents. And so that's why it's important to maintain your log and have your binder, which I'll be making a course about that soon as far as how to put your binder together. And if you're interested in that, hit the like button and let me know, and also leave a comment in the comment section. So I am actively working on that for you all behind the scenes, by the way. But yeah, they may say they didn't receive certain documents and they need time to review it, when you know it's a lie, because that's what they love to do. They love to lie. So we're going to do a quick recap. Those are the 3 things that the covert narcissist may do to frustrate you during a family court proceeding. Number 1, they will lie, so accept it. Number 2, they will charm court officials. And number 3, they will try to cause unnecessary delays. Now that you are aware of what the covert narcissist may do to frustrate you during the family court proceeding, you can reduce the impact that it will have on your mental and emotional health. If you found this video to be helpful, you may also enjoy the video that I posted last Friday titled 3 Things to Do to Prepare for Your Custody Mediation. I believe that's the title. It may not be exactly that, but you can look at the video posted last Friday and check that out if you have not done so already. Also, turn on your post notifications so that you will be alerted when I post the next video. And please feel free to put down below in the comment section any suggestions for future videos. Now, some videos I may not be able to make if they're too specific, like if they're like based on like crossing that line of like legal advice versus legal information. I cannot do that ethically, but put them down there and I can review for myself to determine whether or not if it's appropriate to make a video on that topic. And until next time, remember, you do not have to walk this journey alone. I know it can feel overwhelming. It can feel very stressful, but you are not alone. You have support. Let me hold your hand and walk with you as we both follow Christ on this journey. Until next time, be blessed and stay blessed on purpose. Take care. Bye-bye.